Are you new to crypto? Do not buy Bitcoin. Do not buy the altcoins until you understand the concepts in this video. So before we get into it, if you're new here, smash that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So let's just jump right into it. Today we can see Bitcoin just pushing over $48,000. Let's go. Ethereum just about 1,600 bucks. What up? But guys, this video is all about if you're new here, do not buy Bitcoin altcoins before you understand concepts in this video. We're going to go over hodling, the market cycles, what's going on there. Because if you don't understand the basics here, you're probably going to get wrecked. You're probably going to lose a lot of money. So yeah, you're probably getting excited. Hey, Bitcoin pushing 50K, let's go. But let's just take it back a step, guys. Are you just getting into crypto now? Because if you're just getting into crypto now, then you don't understand the cycles that Bitcoin has. So let's just pull up Bitcoin on the daily. This is just here in 2021. As we can see, nice rally up. Then we came down, rallied up again, and now we came down. There is possibly more price action to the downside. But as you can see, let's take a measure move right here. It fell approximately 30%. We went from like 42K all the way down to around $29,000 in the matter of about 3 weeks, guys. So if you're new and you're all hyped up, you probably bought up here somewhere in this region, and you probably sold down here. You lost a lot of money. Keep in mind, let's pull Bitcoin back to the weekly. Just want to show you guys what's going on here. Subscribe, smash that like button, of course. I appreciate you, homie. But look, this right here was the last top. We had the last Bitcoin top around 20K right here in December 2017. As you can see, since then, everything crashed down. And bam, came all the way down to around $3,000 right there. Rallied back up, had our gravestone doji. Bam, came smacking back down. Liquidity crisis, bam, back in March of 2020. Smacking up. We had a Bitcoin halving in May, which was right in here. Bam, then been parabolic. Parabolic, things are looking super, super good. So my point though, guys, my point is, right now, we could see Bitcoin 2, 3, 4, 5x. And yeah, you'd be like, homie, really? $250,000 Bitcoin? Guys, it's possible. You see how much US dollars they're printing? You let me know then. But yeah, so I mean, I see we can definitely see it like 100K this year. But just keep in mind, if you're buying Bitcoin right now, you're probably going to lose money. You're probably going to get wrecked, just like everybody else did back. I got into the cycle November 2017. So that was right in this time frame right here. I definitely got wrecked. I was new. I never invested before. I lost a lot of money. I do believe if we want to compare the cycles, it looks like we are somewhere in this time frame. We're somewhere in here before we have our blow up top. So there is a little bit more room, of course. But you have to understand though, Bitcoin long term, like if you just hold Bitcoin, if you just hold it, okay, guys, bam, look at this long term. You just hold it. It goes up. It goes up. The trend is up, guys. We're in a 10-year bull market, okay? And I only believe it's going to continue with the amount of money that is being printed. It's a solid uptrend, guys. A solid uptrend. If you would have bought back here in November 2017 and held it, you're already in profit. So pretty much everybody is in profit with Bitcoin. Now, of course, if you bought a 58K more recent top, then yeah, I mean, right now you're down. But like 99% of people that ever bought Bitcoin in the history of Bitcoin are up, except for these people up here, which are probably new and you probably didn't know better. Something else I want to keep you guys in mind though, be careful of pump and dump schemes. Be careful, okay? There are larger YouTube channels that they end up pumping coins that have a low market cap, and you can see right here market cap. Bitcoin has almost $1 trillion market cap. Ethereum has $181 billion market cap. You see Cardano at 35 billion. We scroll down, but this is just the top 100. So if we'd go to, say, we'd check out something that has a lower market cap, so scroll all the way down. We'll go fourth page. So the 400 ones, 300 to 400. Look, these have $87 million market cap. These things are a lot easier to pump and dump. With $80 million, I mean, we can even go lower. So just be careful with that, guys. Just be careful. You see, especially a large YouTuber, if they have 100K, like 100K and above subs, they could potentially be pumping this. So just be careful. So just be careful with that. Just be aware there are pump and dump schemes, guys. This is the wild west. It's why on my channel it says all about the wild crypto journey right there. So just keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. All about the wild crypto journey. So just be careful of those pump and dumps. It does happen, guys. It does happen, and it's not cool to see because people end up losing a lot of money. But if you understand these cycles here, you understand. Let's go back to the daily. you understand how we go up, we go down, but the trend is our friend, and we're going up. You know, you get that. Hey, we're gonna top here, we're gonna come back down. So what should you be doing in this time frame? What should you be doing? Personally, I just hodl and buy more. Hodl and buy more. If you guys want to know when I'm buying, when I'm selling, check out the Patreon link down below. Crypto Enthusiast tier is when I post when I buy and sell, like literally screenshots from the exchange. So check that out if you're interested. Plus, there is some free courses in there. But yeah, you want to be buying or hodling. So if you cannot hodl through these like this downward action when we fall 20 to 30%, possibly in the future 40%, if you can't handle this, you're probably over leveraged. And that simply means you've overinvested. You put too much money in that you're willing to lose, and you're freaking out. You're like biting your nails, all freaking out. You can't even sleep at night. You're constantly checking the charts. It's not good, homie. You definitely need to just take money off the table, take profit, hopefully profit. And it never hurts to take profit. You're gonna see, like when I mentioned taking profit from the graph, like when it broke 250 or 230 range, people are just saying, why would I sell now? This thing is gonna hit $3 or $4, $5. Why would I sell now? Guys, people get super greedy. Consider taking profit. At least take your initial investment off the table. So whatever money you put in, just take that money back. So now it's all profit. So if you lose money, hey, whatever, you're just messing with the profit. And that's gonna help you sleep at night, guys. It's gonna help you sleep at night. Yeah, so the hodl, pump and dumps, and overinvesting, that's what I wanted to touch up on today. So hodling, guys, hodling tends to work out. I showed you with the history of Bitcoin. It tends to work out, guys. If you've held Bitcoin for longer than 3 or 4 years, you're typically making money. And like I said, if you can't sleep at night, if you can't handle this downward action right here, you probably overinvested. And consider taking some money off the table. And so just keep that in mind as well. And I just want to point out the time to buy Bitcoin, guys, was definitely back below $20,000 when nobody was really talking about it. Nobody was really talking about it. There's less institutional interest. There's a lot more interest today. So just keep that in mind, guys. If you're just getting in now, plan to be sticking through the next bear market. Yeah, we're going to have a bear market, guys. We're going to have this again. It's going to happen again, guys. Plan for that, okay? Definitely plan for that, because if you're not in it for the long term, just get out. Because guess what? You're just going to get wrecked. Most likely get wrecked long term. So I just hope that explains some things, because if you just get in now, it pops up great, you make some bucks, but you're probably not going to take profit. You're probably going to ride the whole thing down and just lose money. So if you don't plan it and stick in it for the next 5 years, what's the point of being in now, homie? What's the point? Because if you would have bought anywhere in this bear market down here, right now you're making some massive gains, not just with Bitcoin, but especially with those altcoins. So keep that in mind. So just remember, hodl, watch out for those pump and dumps. And if you're overinvested, make sure to take some money off the table. So, you can just sleep at night, not be so stressed out, always watching the charts. So keep that in mind. So I hope this was, educational and you guys learned something. Definitely consider checking out the Patreon link down below. We got those courses in there. I post when I buy and sell and some other great stuff. So definitely check that out. And of course, if you're new here, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button if you guys like this content, and have a great day, homies. I'll catch you guys all in the next one.